Each of the three available pop-up files can be independently configured. Click on File, File Options, Configure Pop-up Files. Select from the drop-down list one of the four available types for each pop-up file. User file. This is a specific named file that can be saved. For example, you might have a file named todo.nb. If you select the user file option, the browser option will light up to select the file that you would like to use for this pop-up. Clean Scratchpad. This provides a blank temporary file that is reset every time it is opened. File name and location are automatically filled in, and the assigned file extension is .tmp. Saved Scratchpad. With this selection, all edits are saved between sessions. The file name and location are automatically filled in, and the assigned file extension is .pop. Linked file. These are memo files that are automatically linked to Opus files with particular extensions. And please note that Opus files can have user-defined extensions other than the default .nb extension. So you can specify the file type for these auto-generated linked files along with the type of file to which they are linked. For example, you could have Opus automatically link an open .nts file to go along with all of your .dis dissertation files. Below each configuration, make the following selections. Save, in which contents will be automatically saved when you return from the pop-up menu file to Opus. Reopen, contents will be automatically reopened when restarting the Nota Bene Workstation. Send selection will select text in the active Opus file in which you are working and will be copied to the pop-up without leaving the main Opus window. Text will be copied only if it is less than the specified number of characters. And on top. The pop-up window can be always on top, either of Opus or independently anywhere on screen, making it available for use while working in other applications. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for pop-up files 2 and 3, and click to check or clear each of the three options in the middle section of the dialog, then click OK.